Hello guys, what's up? I'm Aditi and welcome back to my channel Beauty Spot. Today I will show you the 3 best and 100% effective face pack here. Regular using these 3 face packs will solve your maximum problems of your skin, I swear. The 5 main problems of the skin are uneven skin tone, pimple, black spot, dryness, sun tanning, whiteheads. This will solve all the problems. Based on these 5 problems, I have come up with 3 best face packs. Home remedies are very effective, and there is biggest thing is that this is chemical free, harmless and side effectless. So I will definitely not do any video like that. My skin tone 2 shades dark before, and using this face pack it makes my skin tone 2 shades lighter. It's never happened that your skin tone will go from dark to light like magic. It is a gift from God that man can do nothing about. But if you regularly use this, you will get an amazing glowing skin tone and removing your uneven skin tone problems, and skin will be cleansed slowly, whitening will be done, and sun tanning will be removed. So let's take a quick look at the face packs and how to use them. Rice powder good for natural scrub. Curd is a good moisturizer and it helps to remove sunburn. Lemon juice reduce skin damage and permanent aging. Turmeric powder provide glow and revive your skin. I took all the ingredients in a bowl. These face packs keeps you glowing, nourished, spotless skin. A big love for this face pack. Mix the 4 ingredients well. Then make a cotton ball and apply full over the face. Then wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, scrub the face well. Use this face pack 1 or 2 times in a week, and then you can see the amazing result. You get a soft and moisturizing skin. It's 100% effective. Here I use red sandalwood, and red sandalwood powder is easily available in the market. I took 2 spoons of sandalwood and 1 spoon of Patanjali aloe vera gel. Then I will mix it 2 ingredients well and apply it full over the face. This face pack gives nourishment, radiant complexion, control oiliness, remove suntan, fades pigmentation mark. You can use it in your elbow, it's remove black spot. Wait 10 minutes, then wash the whole face. Use this face pack 2 times in a week. If you use it every day, you will definitely get a very good results and all your skin problem will be removed. And you can check it guys, it's really work. Hello guys, I took 1 spoon of rice powder and 2 spoons of potato juice. This face pack helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots and dark circles and gently exfoliate your skin. 2 ingredients mixed well. Then apply it full over the face. And stay it 10 to 15 minutes. Then clean it completely. Use this face pack 1 time in a week. With regular use, pimple spot and black spots definitely become lighter. Wow, very nice. I feel soft and moisturizing skin. I hope guys you will definitely use these face packs yourself and you will definitely get amazing benefits yourself. So, how did it feel? If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and lots of love with you guys. So, tata, bye bye, and see you in the next video.